I said at the beginning, I am a fan of using the Bernina slide-on table during embroidery on the Bernina 790. But if you've attached your embroidery unit and have noticed that this is a little close, this doesn't really want to go on very easily. So here's how you want to get it on. So first off, just go ahead and pick a random design. I like to just open up the alphabets, select the first font, and select a single letter and touch the green check mark. Easiest way to get something on your screen. Next, go into the hoop area, which you normally would if you're not using the hoop that a small single letter would fit in anyway. But this is the area where you can actually park the embroidery module. So here where it has the hoop with the picture of P pointing to the left, when you touch it, this slides all the way to its furthest position. This is also the position that the unit would fit into the box. So if you're looking to get that moved before you take it off the machine, you'll come to the hoop area and touch park. So here is all you need to know. Just slide the slide-on table underneath the presser foot until it gets here. Now, if you find that this doesn't want to connect all the way, it could be if your table is not perfectly straight. Just take your arm, come in, lift your machine oh so slightly so you can slide it into position and it all attaches. Then the arm will move in and be ready to embroider once you tell the machine like what hoop you're working with and once you're ready to start stitching. So that is how easy this is. This goes right over the work surface. It extends the work surface, especially when you're using the larger optional Bernina hoops and maybe hooping up things that are a little bit heavier. Plan to use the slide-on table as much as possible.